Hey health enthusiasts, and welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for a simple, natural way to boost your health, improve digestion, and even enhance your immunity? Well, you're in for a treat today. We're diving deep into the incredible world of clove water, a health elixir that's been used for centuries, and for good reason. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll want to make clove water a part of your daily routine. Shot of cloves in a bowl, then a hand dropping them into water, then a pot simmering, finally a clear glass of infused clove water. So, what exactly is clove water? It's simply water infused with whole cloves, those tiny, aromatic flower buds from the clove tree. While you might know them for their strong flavor in cooking, it's their powerful compounds, especially eugenol, that make them a superstar for your health. Let's get into the top 7 benefits. Benefit 1. Antioxidant powerhouse, scientific yet accessible animation showing free radicals attacking cells, then antioxidants represented by cloves neutralizing them. Close-up of clove water. Benefit number 1. Clove water is an antioxidant powerhouse. Our bodies are constantly fighting off free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and lead to chronic diseases. Cloves are absolutely packed with antioxidants that help neutralize these free radicals, protecting your cells and potentially benefit 2. Digestive aid, practical and relatable, animated stomach with gentle bubbling, then a smooth digestive tract. Someone happily rubbing their stomach after drinking. Next up, for anyone who's ever suffered from indigestion, bloating, or gas, this one's for you. Clove water is a fantastic digestive aid. It's traditionally used to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, helping your system break down food more efficiently and easing those uncomfortable symptoms. A warm glass after a meal? Pure bliss. Why lowering your risk of various illnesses? Think of it as a protective shield for your body. Benefit 3. Oral health booster, everyday application, animated mouth with bacteria, then cloves fighting them off. Someone smiling with sparkling teeth. Ready for a fresher smile? Benefit 3. Clove water supports oral health. Its powerful antimicrobial properties can help combat the bacteria responsible for bad breath, plaque, and even gum disease. It's why clove oil is a classic remedy for toothaches. Rinsing with clove water can leave your mouth feeling incredibly clean and fresh. Benefit 4. Anti-inflammatory effects, relief, focused animated joint with red inflammation, then a gentle green soothing effect. Someone is stretching comfortably. Moving on to benefit 4. Clove water has fantastic anti-inflammatory effects. That star compound eugenol works wonders to reduce inflammation throughout the body. If you deal with general body aches or conditions linked to inflammation, incorporating clove water might just offer some gentle relief. It's like a calming balm from within. Benefit 5. Immune system support, resilience building, animated immune cells, friendly looking, are fighting off germs. Someone looking healthy and vibrant. At number 5, let's talk about your body's defenses. Immune system support. With its rich content of antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, clove water can help strengthen your immune system, making your body more resilient against infections and illnesses. Especially important during cold and flu season. Benefit 6. Potential blood sugar regulation, important note, graph showing stable blood sugar levels. A balanced meal with a glass of clove water. Benefit 6, which is really exciting. Some research suggests clove water may help in regulating blood sugar levels. Compounds in cloves may mimic insulin, helping to move sugar from your blood into your cells. Now, while promising, remember this isn't a replacement for medication, and more human research is ongoing. Always consult your doctor, especially if you have diabetes. Benefit 7. Liver health and detoxification, internal well-being, animated liver glowing, showing toxins being flushed out. And finally, benefit 7. Clove water may contribute to liver health and detoxification. Your liver is vital for detoxifying your body, and the antioxidants in cloves can help reduce oxidative stress in the liver, supporting its crucial functions. It's another way this simple drink can boost your internal well-being. How to make clove water step-by-step and amp visual close-up shots of each step. 1. Show 5-7 whole cloves. 2. Pouring water into a pot. 3. Adding cloves to water. 4. Water simmering. 5. Straining the water into a mug. 6. A beautiful steaming mug of clove water. Okay, so you're convinced, but how do you make this magical elixir? It's super simple. 1. Take 5-7 whole cloves. Don't use ground cloves, as they can be too strong. 2. Add them to 1 cup of water. 3. Bring it to a boil, then let it simmer for about 5-10 minutes. This allows the beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. 4. Strain the cloves out and let the water cool slightly. 5. Enjoy. You can drink it warm or at room temperature. Many people like to drink it first thing in the morning or after meals. Important considerations and amp call to action responsible advice directly addressing the camera, then overlay text with key takeaways. A quick disclaimer. While clove water is generally safe and beneficial, moderation is key. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on any medications, especially blood thinners, please consult your doctor before incorporating it into your routine. So, there you have it, 7 incredible health benefits of clove water. Are you ready to give it a try? Let me know in the comments below if you've tried clove water before, or if you're excited to start. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!